We're going to get more updates. Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has arrived in Delhi as leaders continue to pour into Delhi to pay their last tributes to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Visuals on your screens of Chandrababu Naidu, who will soon be arriving at Dr. Manmohan Singh's residence. There are going to be leaders from across the country, chief ministers, Congress leaders, and leaders across party lines who have come out and paid their condolences on social media, and several of them arriving in Delhi to pay their last respects. Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has spoken on the demise of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, stating that he was a prominent economist. He added that he led the country to significant changes. Listen into what he said.
इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री रहे, प्रमुख अर्थशास्त्री रहे, जो महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव हुए उस दौर में उन्होंने देश का नेतृत्व किया। उनके जाने से निश्चित रूप से बहुत महत्वपूर्ण क्षति हुई है। और मैं तो 2009 और 2014 के बीच में जब लोकसभा का सदस्य रहा तो उस समय वो प्रधानमंत्री थे, तो बहुत सी यादें हमारी भी उनसे जुड़ी हुई है और मुझे व्यक्तिगत क्षति भी उनके जाने से हुई है।
Kanika Katiyar back on the telecast with me. Kanika, floral tributes to the tall leader by several leaders, not just the national leaders, but regional leaders as well. We have also seen visuals on our screen just a few moments ago that Chandrababu Naidu has also arrived. He was heading from the airport to Dr. Manmohan Singh's residence. Let's also listen into Congress leader Surjewala, who's speaking to the media.
Growth story of India. That's why he said distributive justice, inclusivity and growth, they must go hand in hand. Otherwise, economic progress alone will have no meaning.
Just before you met the family member of late Dr. Manmohan Singh, what's the reaction of the family member today?
This is a solemn occasion. We all are grieving his demise. I think the entire nation, every right-thinking person in India or the world today feels that the loss is irreparable, unfathomable. It can never be filled, this gap. But it is also a satisfaction that Dr. Manmohan Singh ji lived a full life, and his words, his thoughts, his feelings, his simplicity, accountability, transparency, by setting a personal example, will always guide us, not only congressmen and women, but the whole country. He was a committed congressman with a solid Congress ideology, and all his actions and policies, therefore, worked towards including every single Indian in the India's growth story.
Congress party demanding the Bharat Ratna award to Manmohan Singh.
I want to say one thing. Today, we are all paying our tributes to Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. The whole world, the whole country knows that Dr. Manmohan Singh deserves every single award that can be conferred on him, including the Bharat Ratna. We believe and we hope that more than awards, Dr. Saab will always be known for his simplicity, probity, inclusivity, distributive justice, and carrying the poorest of the poor and including them in India's growth story. That is his real contribution.
It's my pleasure if you want to speak.
There are some breaking news developments coming in the ongoing legal proceedings against the Sandhya Theatre.